Hello, I'm Marcello D'Alfonso. Welcome to Rooted Harmony, a landscape architecture initiative designed to blend ecological restoration and cultural heritage within the Mission Canyon Watershed. Embark on a journey through Rooted Harmony in the Mission Canyon Watershed, where each element, from meandering creek beds to rolling chaparral hills, narrates a story of natural evolution and rich biodiversity. The Mission Canyon Watershed's historical resonance is profound, echoing Chumash legacies and colonial narratives, each layer adding depth to its landscape. Rooted Harmony is born from this fusion, a project that respects and revitalizes, aiming to synchronize the watershed's ecological and cultural heartbeat. Mission Canyon confronts ecological fragility and wildfire threats, a landscape shaped by its historical shifts and modern environmental pressures. In addition, the Mission Canyon watershed contends with mudslide risks stemming from its distinct topography and evolving weather patterns, further intensifying its environmental challenge. The canyon's cultural stories, from ancient Chumash heritage to contemporary narratives, are on the brink of fading into obscurity, needing revitalization to preserve their essence for future generations. Rooted Harmony is our response. A design philosophy anchored in sustainability, nurturing the landscapes of Mission Canyon while celebrating its cultural tapestry. It extends beyond traditional landscaping, weaving together the watershed's ecological diversity and historical richness, fostering a space for community and connection. Our approach emphasizes adaptive landscape management, adapting to environmental changes while preserving the natural and cultural integrity of the watershed. Integral to our concept is the creation of a cohesive eco-community, where sustainable practices are seamlessly integrated into daily life within the watershed. What role does the eco-corridor along Mission Creek play in Rooted Harmony? It's a beacon of sustainable design, where riparian restoration and educational spaces highlight the watershed's natural dynamics. How does the integrated trail network enrich Rooted Harmony? This network binds the community with nature, offering eco-friendly travel paths that intertwine educational and recreational opportunities. What role do interactive spaces play in the watershed? An adventure playground and surrounding areas serve as a gateway to learning, blending enjoyment with insights into sustainability and the past. How is historical preservation woven into Rooted Harmony? Adaptive reuse and storytelling elements bring new life into the canyon's history. Envision Rooted Harmony's holistic approach to sustainable infrastructure, from water conservation initiatives to renewable energy sources. Each element blends seamlessly with the watershed's landscape. Forward-looking, Rooted Harmony envisions transforming Mission Canyon into a model of coexistence between nature and culture, sustainability and history. This journey embraces ecological restoration and a commitment to fire resilience, adapting to the challenges of our changing world. The path ahead blends past and future, protecting the watershed's legacy while celebrating its ecological harmony. Picture Rooted Harmony as a community-led example of sustainable design, fostering ecological well-being and cultural continuity. Join Rooted Harmony in a journey to reconnect with our heritage and the environment, reshaping the future of the Mission Canyon watershed. Engage in an endeavor where ecological restoration meets historical preservation in a balance of sustainable living. Your participation is vital to this vision. Together, let's craft a lasting legacy for the Mission Canyon watershed, where nature's symphony harmonizes with community aspirations, offering solace, inspiration, and a renewed connection to the land.